This is the installation video for EveryDrop Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 3. To maximize contaminant reduction, including pharmaceuticals, replace your filter every 6 months. Step 1. Be sure you have the correct filter. If you need help deciding that filter 3 is right for your refrigerator, use the filter finder at everydropwater.com. Step 2. Remove your new filter from its packaging. Lift the blue cap from the top of the filter. Be sure the black O-rings are still in place. Step 3. Locate your filter in your refrigerator. For filter 3, you'll find it on the left side of the base grill. Remove the filter by pressing and holding down the eject button while pulling straight out on the filter cap. Remove the filter cartridge cap by turning it counterclockwise until it stops and the ridges align. Step 4. Then pull the cap straight off the end of the cartridge. Set aside the filter cap and do not discard. Note: excess water may spill from the old filter, so have a towel handy. Step 5. Time to install your new EveryDrop filter. Place the filter cartridge cap on the new filter by aligning the ridge on the cap with the arrow on the filter. Turn the cap clockwise until it stops and snaps into place. Hold the assembled cap and filter unit by the lip on the cap so that the filter cartridge arrow is facing up. Align the filter and cap unit with the opening in the grill base and push the new filter into the hole. Once the filter is completely inserted, the eject button will pop back out. Now, flush 4 gallons through your refrigerator water dispenser before drinking. This removes any air and ensures the fast flow performance of the EveryDrop for cleaner tasting water. Water at the speed of life.